CoastLife, but think back to the beginning of the month. Remember when we were hyping you up for today for all your trick-or-treating activities by doing some DIY Halloween crafts?
I remember those crafts. I think I did one, and it was the ultimate fail. It was the candy corn ball thing.
Yes, and that was the first craft that we all did together, and then Maya was just immediately out. She was like, you know what? These crafts are not it.
It was not my thing. It was breaking. It was just falling apart, and it was all dusty and dirty. Not my thing, definitely.
It was frustrating for sure. But the good news is we came up with some better crafts throughout the week. We made these little balloon ghosts, and we made these little like puffy paint spider webs, and these the apple candles. Those turned out surprisingly well.
I really like the ghost one. I think that was kind of, obvious it would turn out great, but it was so cute. That was probably my favorite one.
They were cute. They were silly. I think they're still somewhere in the office, but mine had like a slight hole in it, so it's like really deflated now. It's like really sad and tired, but we could tell you all about our DIY crafts, but why don't we kind of revisit sort of the best of with these crafts and maybe inspire you for some last minute Halloween DIY crafts yourself? Take a look.
So what we're doing today is creating actually little candle holders out of apples.
That's cute, right?
It's gonna be so cute. We'll find out. Yeah.
Maya, what is going on? It's supposed to be an M. It's an M for
Maya.
Maya.
Oh, okay. That's yes. All you're gonna need is a balloon, the balloon stick, and the little balloon holder guy that connects the two.
We haven't tried this yet.
So we're gonna give it a go.
We're just gonna try it out. Just the top, so like almost like you're gonna create like a lid for it, like a candle lid. Do you want help?
Yeah, I don't know why it's not, okay, there we go. Got it, nailed it.
I'm trying to dry it. Oh, and we forgot the best part, you guys. Glitter. I love that we have these sticks too, so you can just parade them around town.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, well, my hair's disheveled. I'm sweating. This is stressing me out.
A little rough.
Yeah. I am Picasso over here. This is going so much better.
This is a lot easier than the candy corn balls that we attempted the other day.
And how calming is this?
This is actually really great.
I kind of keep forgetting to like talk to you. I'm like, I'm just in my own world, tracing with my puffy paint. Oh, it's so cute.
Okay, I'll try mine out.
Should we put them together?
Aww.
Oh, wait, it's adorable.
Yay!
Look, and then you can put it like in the middle of your dining room table.
Ta-da.
Do you think it'll drip if I hold it up?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is gonna be cute when it's dry. Because it looks just like me. Let's show off our finished products.
Okay. Sorry, I'm still going.
No, you're great. So the goal was, just use your imagination, have these everywhere. There were spiky balls, and you could stick them in a beautiful glass dish like this, and have a cute little decoration. Oh, that's it's even spookier if they lose their head. It's okay.
Oh.
And there's your Halloween craft. They're cousins.
We still have it. This was Paige's candy corn ball. We were
That
talking
was her
about
enemy.
this.
She was not happy that day at all. I was like,
We've
oh
never
no.
seen her so visibly frustrated. So we hold on to this. I think she had called it Weird Barbie.
Yeah,
because it kind of looks like her hair. So we hold on to Weird Barbie, the candy corn ball, as a reminder of just how rough that first craft was. But the good news was they all got better. I think the apple candles were my favorite one.
I think mine was the spider web ones where you could peel it off. It reminded me of my childhood, like sticking the stuff on the window when the holidays came up. I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think what I like about the apple one too is that one can really carry over into the rest of fall. That doesn't have to be Halloween specific. So like, we're all trick-or-treating tonight, having fun, staying safe. But if you're also gearing up for Thanksgiving and maybe you want a table set, that would be a good thing to have on that.
Maybe for like a day. Don't leave it there
for like
a
day.
while.
Oh yeah, no,
but like nice decoration for a day.
Oh, because the fruit flies. Luckily, candy corn is in such a like sugar coating. I don't think
anyone wants the candy corn. I don't think anyone is gonna get that.
No one does. But we've got more laughs and more fun to be had when CoastLife gets back.